It's time to practice math. Hip hop math. Hip hop math.
Multiplying and dividing makes me glad.
Hip hop math. Hip hop math.
Multiplying and dividing, it makes me glad. Stacking chips, 6 times 6. What does that give me? 36. 8 times 4. What is the score?
Hello, welcome to another teaching on quantitative reasoning. Today we are going to be talking about a very important topic, and the topic is cube and cube root. I hope you are with your writing materials, as I'm going to be doing justice to this very important topic. Now, on mathematics, we have treated cube and cube roots before now. Now, a recap quickly. Please, I want you to write, put every point into notes as we progress on this teaching. The cube of a number is the product we get when the given number is multiplied by itself thrice. Just like square. The square of a number is the product we get when the given number is multiplied twice. Therefore, cube, the number is multiplied by itself thrice. Okay. Now, let's move on to know what is cube root. In mathematics, the opposite of cube is actually cube root. Okay, so when we are treating cube and cube root quantitative, when you are treating cube in the forward equation and you are coming backwards in the equation, is going to be cube root. Now, cube root of a number is a number that will give you the given number when such number is multiplied by itself thrice. So any number that will multiply itself thrice, that is 3 times, to give you a certain number, that number is the cube root of that certain number. Now I'm going to give an example. Example, 6 raised to power 3, that is the cube of 6. 6 raised to power 3, also known as the cube of 6. It means 6 times 6 times 6, that is 6 multiplied by itself 3 times to give you 616. So the cube of 6 is 216, and the opposite, which is the cube root of 216, is 6, because 6 is the number that will multiply itself 3 times to give you 216. I guess you're understanding the lesson properly. Just know that what we did in square and square root is same thing we are doing in cube and cube root. Just that the difference is now the 3, the raised to power 3 and the cube of 3. Now we are going to be having some quantitative questions here. These questions, you see it displayed. I want you to write them down, as we are going to be doing justice to how these numbers came about. Now the first here is 2 to 8. If you look at the first diagram, we have 2 to 8. Now the relationship between 2 and 8 is that the cube of 2 is 8. That is 2 raised to the power 3. 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 8. Okay. So it here means if I'm going to get 2, I'll do the opposite, which means the cube root of 8 is what? 2. Okay. The cube root of 8 is 2, which means 2 is that number that will multiply itself 3 times to give you 8. So if I'm going to have 8 and there's no 2 there, what I will do is to get my cube root of 8 so that I can get my answer, which is what? 2. If I have 2 and not have 8 there, I'll use the cube. The cube of 2, which is 2 times 2 times 2, is 8. Now we progress. Now, just a reminder, the other relationship is that 3 and 9, the relation that exists between them is square root and square. So the square of 3, 2 raised to power 2, 3 times 3 is 9. And remember that the opposite of square is square root. So when I want to get my 3, I'll do the square root of 9, which is square root of 9 is equals to 3. Okay, now I want you to go over this lesson, try to understand what cube and cube root is all about. Thereafter, I want you to go over to your quiz session. Attempt your quiz session. Remember, it is quantitative. You have to think to know what is happening in the sample, and I know definitely you are going to do me proud. Now, next time I'm going to be bringing a very interesting topic your way. Till we meet, I say bye for now.